Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone. This is the Scrum review for Sprint 1. So, for Sprint 1, our goals, today's date is the 12th of June, which is Friday. So, the goal for Sprint 1 is to complete user story 201 and 202, both from Epic 2, which is basically the goal is to tackle the user profiles, specifically the student profiles and the lecturer profiles. uh, we wanted to create wireframes and add improvements to the current profiles on NexScholar, specifically to make AI matching easier. So, Jumana, if you could please share the designs.
All right. Okay, so this is for the student profile. We added achievements, skills, interests, and field of studies. These are all are going to be used to evaluate the students. So for lecturers, they can view the candidates. They would, based on their interests and their education and their achievements, it would make it easier for lecturers to find and researchers to find the appropriate candidates. So here in the dashboard, we have research interests, publications, AI matches, and all of that. In AI matches, it's used to help the students find appropriate researchers based on their field of study and skills. And the same thing for the lectures. So here in lectures, we added credentials and research interests and also current projects. This also helps students pick their uh, researchers or lecturers, and for the researchers to present themselves in a way uh, to show their work. So in AI matches, also the same thing. It's used to get the lecturers the best types of candidates uh, based on their interests and projects and all of that. I don't know. I don't know what to say more.
Okay. All right.
You can cut some
So,
parts of the recording, right, Sarah?
I'll try. Okay. So, Jumana, is there any unfinished work on the development team's end, or issues encountered that you would like to say?
So I would say we could have added more features to the. We could have added more features to the profiles, but we still haven't looked into that yet. I think in the future we want to add it. We want to simplify it more and allow more flexibility in general.
All right. Were there any issues that you encountered throughout the design of the profile?
I would say. Mm, so there weren't any major issues. Maybe I think the minor inconvenience, minor things we had to overcome were how to design it to make it in a simple way where it's easy to use. And I think that's it.
All right. Thank you, Jumana. So, Ahmad, as product owner, do you have any feedback that you would like to give?
Yes, I'm very content with the design, but I would like to ask, out of all the features you've included, Jumana, which ones do you think would contribute the most to the AI matching feature?
I'm sorry, can you repeat the question? I couldn't hear.
Out of all fields you've included, which ones do you think would contribute the most to the AI matching feature?
So for both students and lecturers, I think for lecturers, current projects, skills, and also research interests are very important for the AI matches. It will help clarify for students what they are looking for, and also for lecturers when they are reviewing students. The most important thing is going to be the education, the overall education of the students, their academic interest, and their skills, so they can choose based on that.
I see. Thank you so much for the detailed response. And yes, that makes sense. They seem relevant enough.
All right, thank you so much.
Uh, is that all?
Yes, I think that would be all.
All right. So for the next actions, uh, we will probably continue to work on the user profiles as you have said. Uh, Ahmed, do you think that there's any additions that we should add to the user profiles themselves, or in your opinion, do you think it's good?
Looking forward with the future sprints. I think the fields we have right now are more than sufficient to continue building. So it's all right.
All right. So next sprint, we should probably focus more on the AI matchmaking part of the platform,
All right.
since that will probably take a long while, and since we already have the data we need from the lecturer and student profiles that we have made. Does everyone agree with this?
Yes, looking forward to it.
All right. In that case, I think this meeting is uh, over. I think this meeting is probably good for now. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining, and um, you all can leave the meeting.